If you're getting the please close interception before starting the game error, it means a background tool called Interception is still installed on your system. First, you'll need the official Interception driver tool. Open your browser and search for Ablitum Interception GitHub, or just go directly to this site, which you see right now on the screen. Scroll down the page and find the Releases section. Download the latest interception.zip file and save it somewhere easy to find, like your desktop. Next, right-click on the zip file and choose Extract All. Pick a location like your desktop or Downloads folder. After it's extracted, open a new folder, then go into the one called something like Command Line Installer. In the File Explorer window, copy the full path from the address bar. You'll need it in a second. Now press the Windows key, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type CD followed by the path you copied. Once you're in the right folder, type this command and hit Enter. You should get a message saying it was removed successfully. Finally, restart your computer.